In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 200 EMA on TradingView. First, a quick overview. EMA stands for exponential moving average. It's a smooth line that tracks price while giving more weight to recent data, so it reacts a bit faster than a simple moving average. The 200 EMA is a widely used benchmark that helps traders gauge long-term trend direction at a glance. Once it's on your chart, you'll be able to quickly see whether price is generally trading above or below this long-term average. Start by opening your chart in TradingView and heading to the Indicators button at the top left of the chart area. This opens the indicator library. In the search bar that appears, type EMA. You'll see results like moving average exponential under built-ins. Click it once to add it to your chart. You should notice a new line appear, and in the top left of the chart, you'll also see the indicator listed by name. Next, configure it so it becomes a 200 AS EMA. Click on the indicator's name on the chart, or click the small settings gear next to it. This opens the settings panel. Find the field labeled length. By default, it's usually set to 9 or 20. Change that value to 200. You can leave the other fields as they are unless you have a specific preference. The default source of close works well for most uses. Confirm your change, and your EMA will instantly recalculate to a 200 period line. Now make sure it's visible. In TradingView, each indicator has an eye icon that toggles its visibility. If the line isn't showing, check that the eye is enabled, both in the chart legend and, if you've opened settings, on the visibility tab. Once it's on, you should see a smooth line stretching across your chart that updates as you move through time. If you don't see the line right away, don't worry. Depending on your time frame and how far the chart is zoomed, the 200 EMA can sit outside the current price view or blend in with your background. That's normal with longer averages. The important part is that the indicator is added, configured to length 200, and set to visible. And that's all you need. You've added the EMA, set it to 200, and ensured it's visible on your chart. From here, you can use the 200 EMA as a simple, consistent reference for trend context and potential dynamic support or resistance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy analyzing your charts with your new 200 EMA in place.